On the seventh day of Christmas, my true love gave to me the mirror principle. Welcome to day 7 of the 12 days of Christmas. Today, we're going to be talking about a very simple but very profound principle called the mirror principle. And simply stated, it means that our internal world, what's going on in the inside of us, is reflected in our external world. It's kind of like if you're wearing a set of red glasses with red lenses, then the whole world would seem red to you. And it's our filter. The mirror is whatever we believe inside is happening on the outside. So this is the manifestation of the law of attraction. So when you see somebody that's really mean, nasty, and ugly, or super angry, and it really bothers you and it's triggering you on the inside, then that's just a clue to look and ask yourself, where am I angry on the inside? Where am I that grumpy? And then it's up to you to do the work to figure that out. So that's a really good tool there. The other thing is when you see people around you in your world that have what you want, it's could be an opportunity to be envious, to be jealous, to be resentful. Could be, but it also could be validation. Wow, that's possible for me. Wow, I have that within me, because you don't experience, you don't see it if you don't have it within yourself. If instead you're seeing and feeling they have something that I can't have, I don't have, I'll never have, then that's just a belief that's in the way. But when you bring the mirror principle up, it's just another chance to validate that what you really want is possible because you see it in another person. So I'm hoping that's helpful for you. Another way that the mirror principle is helpful for you, kind of like in the negative way, is if you see yourself or notice yourself recommending something over and over again. For example, I went through a period of time where I didn't recommend any books to anybody. And then one day, the same book I recommended 3 times. And it was on The Law of Divine Consciousness by Marianne Williamson. And I thought, maybe I need to pull it out and read it. And sure enough, something that I opened up the book to the right page and exactly what I needed to hear to help me through a difficult stumbling block that I was going through at the time, magically appeared, and it really helped me motor past all that. So, or if you're saying, you find yourself saying to someone, you really need to drink more water, and you say it with a lot of effort, or you say it many times, that is a reflection of what's going on inside of you. And maybe you need to drink some more water, or maybe you need to get some more sleep, or so you see how that's going? So I truly hope that this mirror principle has brought some illumination. I use it all the time in my coaching and healing practice. And it's a beautiful, beautiful tool of discernment. And then, of course, it's up to you to say, like, okay, now I know what's in front of me. And it's up to me to change that. And you can do that with personal healing and transformation. Sending love, sending light, sending laughter your way. Have a most marvelous day.